G'day, I'm Ryan from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the cog inside your hose reel. Place your hose reel, lead a hose side down on a flat surface. Remove the handle from the back of the casing. Use a flat-headed screwdriver to remove the side cap. Next, remove the screws to release the spring. Remove the screws from the casing. Remove the top half of the casing, ensuring to keep it upright so you don't lose any of the screws. Now, remove the belt from the worm drive. Remove the feeder and place the cog onto the worm drive, ensuring the grooves are aligned. Use a hammer and socket to secure the cog in place. Pull all the hose out . Turn the worm drive clockwise until the feeder reaches the correct position. Put the spindle and feeder arm into the slots on the hose reel and put the black belt back on the cog. Replace the other side of the casing, making sure the worm drive slips into its designated slot. Connect the hose casing together using a drill or Phillips head screwdriver. Replace the axle cap, making sure the crossbar is in line with the space on the axle. Now place the hose reel on the wall bracket. Use the tensioning tool to tension the axle cap. If you haven't made a tensioning tool, please refer to the separate instructions. If the hose locks, unlock it and let it feed in. Once the hose is all the way in, release the tension on the spring . Then add 3 revolutions to the cap. Lock the axle cap in place with 1 screw. Let the hose wind back into the hose reel, keeping enough tension on the hose so it winds tight against the drum. Screw in the remaining screws to the axle cap . And handle to the reel. Now your hose reel should be ready to go. In future, we strongly advise against taking the hose reel apart as it can cause irreversible damage.